Hello everybody, Jose Rodriguez here. Oh boy, you are printing and all of a sudden the printer gives you an error that your cartridge is non-genuine. What do you do? Hello and welcome back. Here's what you do when that happens. You can say, I don't care, continue printing. I often do that with my little cheap desktop printers. I use compatible cartridges for those because all I'm printing is text. I don't care. Even if the printhead is partially clogged, I could care less. I'm only printing text just for quick checkups or whatever, and then I shred them. I always get these non-genuine reports or declarations by the EPSON R340s, that type of printer, maybe the 1100 Workforce. Yeah, it happens all the time. Don't worry about it. Don't be shocked. That happens. They recognize that that is not a genuine chip. Now, that can also happen when you are refilling. Okay. If it happens with a Canon printer and you actually reset it with a proper resetter, then maybe your chip is malfunctioned. Don't fret. Just buy a new cartridge. Okay. Just buy a new one and proceed happily. The report, the error that you got was specific to that particular chip that it no longer saw as genuine. The single-use chips that I'm using for these cartridges here, in other words, these right here, they are reported as being genuine, okay? So that's what you need. If that happens, then I just have to use another chip. There's no point on getting past that. Don't fret, don't have a conniption fit over that. It just means that the printer, for whatever the reason, it no longer sees that chip as genuine because it's not. Okay? Don't be surprised. It is not genuine. And by chance, it just realized that and it reported it to you. Now, EPSON printers will allow you to just say disregard that. Now, what may happen is that every time you power up the printer and try to print something, it may come up with that notice. And again, you just say continue. You don't care. All right? Thank you so much. That was short, but to the point. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Happy printing, everybody. Bye-bye.